Okay, sir.
Good morning, everybody. I, Dr. D. Sachindan, a professor in the MBA department. Today, my topic is environmental scanning. Environmental, which refers to the dictionary meaning, is surrounding area such as internal and external environment. Suppose we can study an industry or a company, Visakha steel plant, internal environment within the surrounding area or out of the surrounding area, that is called environmental scanning. Examine, we studied how the organization is going on, how the organization is functioning within the limits. That we have classified two categories: internal environment and external environment. External environment, which refers to as a great impact on the operation of the business enterprise irrespective of its nature. I want to talk about enterprise. Enterprise is nothing but an association, an organization, or a company. Company must have their own infrastructure facility such as own land, building, furniture, mechanization, tools, furniture, everything have. That is the internal. External, out of the surrounding area, that is called the external may be classified. These are the factors to be diagnosed in external environment. External environment diagnosis including monitoring the major phases on the both micro and macro environment. What is micro environment? What is macro? Micro dictionary meaning is Oxford Dictionary, a millionth part in the economy, a piece of studies in the organization, a piece of study in the country level. That is called micro environment. Macro, which refers to the whole part of the study, the total aggregates, total demand, total supply must be studied by the organization. That is called macro environment. One of the part in the external environment. Again, micro environment includes like customer, competitors, etc. Macro environment includes economic, social, culture, technical, forces affecting the business undertaking both in the short run and long run. This is I want to talk about micro. Micro, it is a piece of study, individual, a piece of company, individual perception studied by the organization is called micro. It includes customer, competitors, macro, total, economic, social, culture, technical, religious, and other things may concern. That is called external. External environment business, the three factors to be diagnosed. There are diagnose general environment classified 1, 2, 3, 4 points. First one is social economic factors. Comparisons of the forces affecting the economic, social, and the business, climate, and culture. Social. I want to talk about social. Every individual, company, the people working together in the organization as a part of the society, as a universal. Man is a social being. According to Aristotle says, if not, man is not a social being. Man may treated as a brute, uncultured, stupid, rogue, dirty fellow, mad also. So that man is a social animal. Social economic factor. It includes the economy, society, business, climatic conditions favor to the organization or company is called social factor. Okay, this is one of the general environment in the factors. Second one is technical factor. Technical dictionary meaning is a thorough knowledge in the areas such as engineering, medical, management, social science, arts and so on is called technical factor, such as raw material, flow of goods, technology and changes. Best example is IT technology. IT companies are there in the country level, Bangalore town and Hyderabad city. It is a only IT cities. People, those who are students, those who are completed the degrees and PGs, they want to check job there in the corporate sector only towns, Hyderabad and Bangalore town. Recently, Visakhapatnam rapid development, that is called technical factor. Technology meaning is thorough knowledge in the areas such as computer, management, arts, science, law and so on is called a technical factor, one of the diagnosation general environment. Just government factors such as the comparison the taxes gap between the demand and supply. Government according to Abraham Lincoln defined by the people, for the people, to the people is called government. At the present scenario where the total demand and total supply must be equilibrium in a particular point, at that time the tax will be fixed, such as consumer, rice, what are the pulses, and what are the oil, petrol, diesel, everything fixed by the government price. We can accept it. We can't. We can agree that that is called government factor, one of the general environment. Second point is diagnose industrial environment. They focus to be industrial environment classified 1, 2, 3. First one is customer to be identified their needs, and organization should be ready to meet customer needs in order to overcome threat of the competition. Here 2 points is there. Customer is there. Again, next one is organization is there. Organization always wants to profit. Customer always want their selection of priority. Customer their own perception, such as need, preference, billing, desire, whatever it is. Customer as the individual their own identity, own thoughts, their mind. They sacrifice their needs. But unfortunately, human beings, the bundle of desire of wants. A few wants may be satisfied, number of wants may be postponed. That is called customer needs must be satisfied by the enterpriser. Is also known as entrepreneur. Is also known as businessman. Businessman main slogan is profit. Always profit. Always profit. Always profit. But sometimes always profit is not at all considered. They face the risk, challenge, dare, natural calamity, what are the fire, instance, tsunami, cyclone, whatever. At that time also the organization or entrepreneur can face the threat of the competition. This is the one of the industrial environment. Second one is supplier play an important role. External environment cost and supply conditions to the supplier is also known as entrepreneur. Businessman control all the organs. Recently the thing was happened in the world wise corona problem. Then where there is no medical facility. The developed countries like China, Japan, Germany, what are they, Spain, what Italy, all these countries are totally failure because of where there is no material is available, remedy not available. It is but the government of India controlling what the lockdown nearly days, 21 days, that will be extended coming 2 weeks, month ending also. So we can control work home, connected house. We all the families connected their parents, wives, children, their love and affection, thick and thin, close together. As a result, was secured. India is the best country in the world without any negligence. Their tradition, custom, religious feelings, we can accept it that. That is because supplier played an important role. Is also known as entrepreneur. Okay, next competitors. The great threat of the organization. What are the competitions may be intends to be diagnosed. The third one is international environment. International environment, which also known as the international means worldwide. www.com world global business, where the demand and supply must be equilibrium in the world. Just at present scenario, the world may be just like a small village. Everybody, ex-boy completed the degree, they entered into the world studies, world employment is there, classified political factor, social factor, environmental factor, and financial factors. So, the factors to be internal environment classified internal, that is called previously external concluded internal environment, including strength and opportunity, skill, knowledge, capability, communication, coordination, all these things are that may be classified 1 to 5 points. Human resource, finance resource, infrastructure facility, technical facility, and other facility. I want to talk about human resource. Human resource, which refers to the individual knowledge, talent, ability, skill, and communication, they up to mind power. Luckily, God provides equal intelligence among all the people without any disparity, without any differences. But utilization of mind power is a few people utilize their mind up to mark, they got a place, they have a distinction in their place, occupy the highest position. Example, district collector, highest place in the district level. As a MRO, mandala, judge in the mandal level, he got a place. Control all the even. All these called personal skills, capabilities, knowledge, and a motivation level, group dynamics will be considered. That is called human resource. Human resource. That are the individuals. Not luckily God provides equal intelligence. But man utilizes the mind not a proper way. It is a bad attitude. Human beings is the most dangerous fellows in the world, totally spoiled in the environment, not animals, only mind is equal to more than, luckily our Indian brains, supercomputers, more than world, will control all over the world business. Example, world MNC companies out of 25, 15 our Indian CEOs. We are great people. So that is called human resource. Again, financial resource such as the company or industry own investment, assets, shareholder, capabilities and should be diagnosed. Again, in the infrastructure facility such as every company their own infrastructure facility. Example, Visakhapatnam is a place where industry constructed, plant located, only road, rail, water, electricity, water the transportation, communication, banking facility, hospital with hospitality and transport facility, international facility, everything is connected. So preferred, it is a place. Visakhapatnam is a construction of the industrialization only. Hyderabad, Bangalore town, IT cities only. Next one, technical capabilities such as the following the technology, IT, hardware, software companies. Again, other factors, leadership style, communication, coordination, motivation and group dynamics and superior and subordinates. Conclude that we conclude this is the very very important topic, internal external environment of the organization or industry. Easily, mainly human beings must follow a love and affection, close touch their parent, close touch their organization providing employment, finance, salaries, wages, incentives and so on. So thank you Madandal, thank you.